What if I told you the phone in your pocket, the one you're watching this on right now, could be one of the most powerful pen testing devices you own? It sounds crazy, right? Today I'll show you how to turn your regular Android phone into a full-blown mobile hacking station. And the best part? Every single tool we use is completely free. Not just one or two simple apps, a complete arsenal professional security researchers use every day. Forget being tied to a laptop. We're going through the 20 must-have tools for 2025. Alright, kicking off our list at number 1 is the absolute beast of mobile pen testing, Kali NetHunter. If you've ever used Kali Linux on a computer, just imagine shrinking all of that insane power and cramming it into your Android phone. That's literally what this is. It's not just an app, it's a full-blown offensive security platform that runs on top of your Android OS. You get access to hundreds of pre-installed hacking tools. You get a full command line environment. You can even run graphical tools through a VNC viewer. It's like having a secret, super-powered computer hidden inside your phone. To get this monster running, you'll typically need a compatible device. You might have to root it, but the payoff is unbelievable. Once it's installed, you can do things that seem like they're straight out of a movie. You can launch complex network attacks. You can crack Wi-Fi passwords for networks you have permission to test. You can even perform HID attacks, where your phone pretends to be a keyboard to inject commands into a computer. Having Kali NetHunter installed makes your phone one of the most versatile pen testing tools on the planet. It's the foundation for many other tools. Many things we'll talk about later can be run directly within NetHunter, making it the perfect central hub for your mobile security ops. It's the undisputed king. Coming in at number 2, a tool that I personally use almost every single day, Termux. If Kali NetHunter is the giant all-in-one suite, then Termux is your lightweight, customizable and powerful command line workshop, without needing to root your device. With Termux, you can use a package manager called APT to install a massive library of tools and languages. At number 3, the undisputed champion of network mapping, Nmap. There is no security professional on Earth who doesn't know and love Nmap. It's the first thing you'll reach for when you want to understand a network. What devices are connected? What ports are open? What services are they running? Are those services running vulnerable versions? Install in Termux with pkg install Nmap, or find it already waiting in Kali NetHunter. Imagine sitting in a coffee shop and getting a complete map of every device on the Wi-Fi. From simple host discovery to advanced vulnerability and brute force scripts you have permission to run. Learning Nmap is fundamental, and running it from your phone means recon from anywhere. Next up at number 4, we dive into the actual data flowing through the network, with packet capture tools, PCAP Droid and Shark for root. PCAP Droid captures without root, by using a local VPN to log traffic and map it to apps, spot apps sending data to strange servers, even unencrypted. On rooted devices, Shark for root captures raw data and exports PCAPs for deep Wireshark analysis. Capturing live traffic on the target device is a game changer. At number 5, Fing is the big red button for quick network overviews. Instantly, see IP, MAC, vendor, and names like Living Room TV. It's not as deep as Nmap, but it is fast, simple, and essential for first-pass mapping. Nothing beats Fing for a quick lay of the land. Let's continue. Number 6 is legendary in mobile security, zANTI, a Swiss Army knife for network pen testers. It maps the network and turns complex terminal commands into simple button presses, run checks for known flaws, capture web traffic, even demonstrate image replacement. It includes session hijacking, password auditing, and sniffing. Heads up, it's older and needs root for full power, but it's still impactful for demos. At 7, Code bundles recon essentials so you don't bounce between sites and terminals. Use Google, Dorking, Whois, DNS, IP lookups, even SQLi scanners in one app. Perfect for quick, early-stage information gathering. Number 8 is Burp Suite, an intercepting proxy you route your phone through. See and modify every request and response to test mobile APIs. Test for IDORs, bypass flows, and find bugs by intercepting and altering traffic. Set a manual proxy and install Burp's CA to decrypt HTTPS, essential for serious mobile testing. Using Burp with Android reveals issues you couldn't find otherwise. On to reverse engineering. Number 9. APKTool, the master key for unlocking Android apps. Decompile APKs to SMALI, XML, and resources to see how apps work inside. Hunt for hard-coded passwords, API keys, and hidden features. Modify logic, rebuild, and create a new installable APK for POCs. At 10, JADX converts bytecode into Java. Far easier to read than SMALI. Browse codebases, search keywords, and trace usages like an IDE. Use the GUI on desktop or the CLI in advanced Termux setups. 11 is MobSF. Automated static and dynamic analysis with comprehensive reports. It decompiles, scans for secrets, flags risky permissions, checks libraries, and reviews network security. Get severity-ranked findings in a clean web report. Host it yourself, and review results anywhere from your Android browser. Run dynamic tests in an emulator to observe behavior and traffic. Reverse, read, and rapidly report. Let's manipulate live apps. 12 is Frida, dynamic instrumentation to inject code into running apps. Run Frida server on your rooted device, connect from your computer, hook functions, log secrets before encryption, bypass checks and call hidden methods. Modify variables in memory for powerful runtime insights. 13 is Objection, Frida's power with a friendly interactive CLI. Bypass root detection and SSL pinning with simple commands. Dump memory and list classes fast. It's the perfect stepping stone before writing custom Frida scripts. 14 is Inspecage, an exposed module that passively observes app behavior. See file access, crypto calls, URLs, intents, clipboard reads, all in a live web dashboard. Great for background monitoring to catch suspicious activity. Next, scalable analysis and timeless networking. 15 is AndroGuard, a Python framework for deep, automated APK analysis, script large-scale work, parse manifests, decompile to SMALI, build call graphs, search strings and APIs. Use CLI tools or a simple GUI when you don't need full scripting. 16 Netcat, the Swiss Army knife of TCP/IP for reading and writing on the network. Rapid service checks and banner grabs without firing up heavy scanners. Open a listener and during authorized tests, catch a reverse shell for a prompt on your phone. 17 is SQL Map. Automates detecting and exploiting SQL injection. Pointed at a suspicious URL, it tests payloads, identifies DBs, and can enumerate data. With confirmed SQLE, enumerate structures and extract data. Only on systems you own or have written permission to test. Only test on systems you own. '18 isn't a hacking tool but is vital. OPSEC, a VPN via OpenVPN Connect or WireGuard. Mask your IP, route traffic through specific networks, and protect on public Wi-Fi. Import a config, connect, and verify your IP change before testing. Pen testers often need corporate VPN access to reach internal resources from phone. 19 is Metasploit, a massive framework of exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules. Systematically find vulnerabilities, configure payloads like MeterPreter, and launch attacks. Browse files, take screenshots, log keys, and pivot right from your phone. Best route is NetHunter. Termux installs are possible, but more complex. 20. CyberSecurity. The Cyber Swiss Army knife in your browser. Perform hundreds of operations, from base 64 and hex to crypto transforms, entirely in browser. Add VirusTotal, Shodan, and sandboxes. Your phone browser is a powerful pen testing console. Access shared knowledge and cloud tools without local installs. "20 absolutely essential, completely free tools you can run on Android in 2025. Legal and ethical. Use only." We went from turning your phone into a Kali machine, to intercepting traffic, to reverse engineering APKs, to running Metasploit. Your phone is no longer just for social media. It's a security analysis powerhouse. The power you now have in the palm of your hand is absolutely insane. Now with all this power comes a massive responsibility. Only use these tools on systems you own or have explicit written permission to test. Unauthorized testing is illegal and can lead to serious trouble. The goal is to learn, build ethical hacking skills, find vulnerabilities, and help fix them, not to cause harm. Be responsible, be ethical, and use this knowledge for good. This was one of the biggest videos we've ever made. If you learned something new, smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next. Comment which tool is your favorite, or suggest awesome ones I missed. Want deep dive tutorials on ethical mobile app testing? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching.